If you've ever pulled a roast out of the oven and watched a pool of grease collect at the bottom of the pan, you've probably had that moment of, yeah, this can't be great for me. Or maybe you've stood there waiting for your oven to preheat, staring at frozen chicken and wondering why dinner always takes longer than it should. That's exactly the frustration the Nuwave Pro Plus 2 infrared oven is trying to fix. The Nuwave Pro Plus 2 is a countertop infrared convection oven designed for busy families and health-conscious home cooks who want faster meals with less added fat. It promises no preheating, no defrosting, and healthier cooking thanks to a triple combo heating system that cooks from the inside and outside at the same time. It's not a traditional air fryer, and it's not a standard toaster oven either. It's more like a compact, high-powered dome oven built to replace your main oven for most daily cooking. Let's start with the design, because this thing looks different from almost anything else on your counter. The most noticeable feature is the clear power dome. It's a large, transparent top that lets you see your food cooking in real time. That might sound like a gimmick, but it's surprisingly useful. Instead of opening the door and releasing heat, you can literally watch your chicken crisp up or your cheese melt. The dome feels thick and sturdy, not flimsy plastic, and the base is solid enough that it doesn't slide around while operating. Underneath, there's a raised cooking rack system that allows fat to drip away from the food as it cooks. That's the key part of its health pitch. The idea is simple. Instead of your meat sitting in its own grease, it drains below. According to the brand, this approach aligns with recommendations from organizations like the American Heart Association, which suggest using racks to reduce saturated fat intake. Whether you're tracking cholesterol or just trying to eat a bit lighter, that design choice makes practical sense in terms of size, it's genuinely family capable. You can cook something small like a single salmon fillet, but it's also large enough to handle a whole turkey with the right setup. For a countertop appliance, that flexibility is impressive. It's not tiny though. If you have very limited counter space, you want to measure before committing. Now let's talk performance, because that's what really matters. The Pro Plus 2 uses infrared, conduction, and convection heat together. In real life, what that translates to is fast, even cooking. One of the bold claims is that you can cook from frozen without defrosting. I tested this with frozen chicken breasts, and while it didn't feel like magic, it absolutely worked. The outside browned nicely while the inside cooked through without drying out, which is usually the risk when skipping defrosting. There's no traditional preheat cycle either. You set your temperature, choose from one of the many presets if you want, and it gets going immediately. With 100 presets and 50 memory slots, it's clearly built for people who like consistency. If you cook the same meals every week, you can lock in your settings and not think about it again. Cooking speed is where this really shines compared to a standard oven. It heats up faster and cooks most proteins noticeably quicker. A beef roast developed a crisp exterior while staying juicy inside, and I did notice a significant amount of rendered fat collected in the bottom tray. Chicken quarters came out with crisp skin and less grease than I'd expect from a conventional oven roast. Noise level is moderate. You'll hear the fan from the convection system, but it's not disruptive. It's comparable to most countertop ovens. Cleanup is straightforward. The racks and drip tray can be removed and washed. And since you're not dealing with baked-on grease inside a giant oven cavity, maintenance feels more manageable. Of course, it's not perfect. The dome design means vertical clearance matters. You have to lift the top completely off to access your food, so you need space above it. It also takes a little adjustment period if you're used to traditional ovens. Cooking times can differ, and you may need a few test runs to dial in your preferences. And while it promotes healthier cooking, it's not automatically healthy. That still depends on what you're putting inside. In terms of competition, this sits somewhere between a large air fryer from brands like Ninja and a premium countertop convection oven from Breville. Compared to typical basket-style air fryers, the Nuwave offers more capacity and better suitability for whole roasts. Compared to high-end toaster ovens, it heats faster and provides that 360-degree dome visibility. Where it stands out most is its fat-draining design and infrared cooking style, which you won't find in most similarly priced appliances. Who is this for? If you're cooking for a family, trying to cut down on grease without giving up roasted meats, or just want a faster alternative to your full-size oven, this makes a lot of sense. If you live alone and mostly reheat small portions, it may feel oversized. And if you prefer a sleek, stainless steel aesthetic, the dome look might not be your favorite. If you're tired of long oven preheats and greasy roasting pans, this could be a worthwhile upgrade. I've linked it below so you can check current pricing and see if it fits your kitchen. If this review helped you make a decision, hit like, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and I'll see you in next one.